Kwezebhola lombhoxo mkhulu umsebenzi ohlalele ama-sevens njengoba elungiselela imidlalo yama-Olimpiki ezoba seTokyo ngoNtulikazi wangonyaka ozayo. Ngaphambi kokuya kulo mqhudelwano azobamba iqhaza ko-World Rugby Sevens eDubai ozoqala kusasa.
Ama-Blitzboks achithe isikhathi esithe xaxa kunesejwayelekile ngaphambi kokuqala kwesizini, kanti ke ukapteni weqembu Siviwe Soyizwaphi ugculisekile ngamalungiselelo.
It hasn't been a long travel, but we did have a slow start in the week coming into our training session yesterday, but I really feel like the guys ended off that session really well, picked up a lot on the intensity and the accuracy of what we try to achieve, and today came out and had our hardest session of the week, so which went really well as well. So we're really happy with where we are at the moment.
Umqeqeshi uNeil Powell uzoba namathimba amabili abadlali eDubai okuyiBlitz kanye nele-Academy okungabadlali abasafufusa. Omabili lamaqembu akhela umqhudelwano wama-Olimpiki. Ngokusho kaSoyizwaphi kuncintiswana ngesihle enkanjini yeqembu.
Yes, I think we're about 36 guys in the squad. There's a lot of players in each position and everyone is working hard to be in that team. So we're actually blessed with a lot of talent and a lot of depth. It really pushes you as a player as well to know that you can't be comfortable and think that you're going to make a team or you're irreplaceable. So it's really good and healthy competition that we have at the moment.
Iningizimu Afrika iqhathwe eqoqweni uDini England, Kenya kanye neSpain, kanti umkhankaso izovula kusasa neKenya.